The era of AI is continuously evolving and changing rapidly. And people are using tools like Lovable, Bolt, Cursor, Claude, and more to generate web applications and websites. But there is a tiny problem that all of those tools mostly generate React applications or static websites. And none of them currently offers building a complete WordPress website that you can edit with any page builder of your choice. And in the WordPress ecosystem, there are many plugins or page builders that are introducing AI capabilities like Elementor introduced AI features to enhance your workflow, but all of those page builder and other plugins are not still generating complete websites. You still need to put a lot of manual effort to build a complete website. But the game changes now. In this video, I'll introduce you to ZipWP that is built for WordPress, and you can generate a complete website using a single prompt. Yes, no kidding. In this review video, I'll show you how you can use ZipWP to create complete websites using the power of AI, and not just AI websites. You can use this platform to host your websites, create staging websites for your client projects, or even sell your ready-made websites with just a link. So if you are interested in this topic, keep watching the video, and if you are watching this intro video on social media, then check the video description or comments for full video tutorial link. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss amazing video tutorials like these. So let's dive in. To get started with ZipWP, first create your free account on ZipWP and complete the onboarding setup. And once you are in the ZipWP dashboard after login, you will see a guided tour that will show you different options of or sections of the ZipWP's platform. For a free ZipWP account, you get 2 staging websites that you can host, and you can generate 2 websites using AI. And you can see the details of your free usage limits over here. You can also upgrade your plan to a paid one to get more website generations and more staging websites. You can scroll through to see what they offer in their plans. So now let's dive into the ZipWP dashboard, and let me show you how you can use this platform to build websites with AI and their other features such as blueprints, staging websites, and live websites. Okay, now let's jump into the actual part where I will show you how you can use ZipWP's platform to create websites using AI, or you can use this platform to host your websites, and you can also use this platform for your client projects with the staging sites feature. First of all, the main feature that I wanted to cover, or the most hyped or advertised feature of ZipWP, is their complete website builder using AI. To access this from ZipWP's dashboard, there are a couple of ways. You can just click right over here. You can click on create new and then choose between blank website or complete website. By the way, I am now upgraded to the business cloud plan, where I can host websites here. I can sell blueprints of websites, and you can I can add in my domains courtesy of ZipWP. They have provided me with this plan, so I can fully test this platform, and then I can show you guys how you can utilize this amazing platform. So let's start with building a complete website with AI. I'll just click over here, complete site, and then in the first screen you will fill in the details of your website, like the name. You can use the actual name or title for your website that you are building for. Let me just say John's Plumbing Services. Okay, now you can type in the type of website, the business of the website, yeah, you are building for. What is it? It's just to give this AI model an idea about what type of website you are going to build. So I'll choose local business because John offers plumbing services to its local area. Then you can choose the language, in which language you want to build this website. You can choose different languages to build the website. It will create content and everything in that specified language. And you can also open this drop down to set a custom subdomain, or you can add a custom domain right over here, but I'll keep it as default subdomain to generate randomly. And then you can set in the validity of the website that is being generated. It will be hosted on ZipWP's platform for this number of days. Since I have a paid plan, I can keep this website permanently as long as my account is active. Click next. Now all you need to do is just a straightforward prompt. So let me provide a simple prompt. Okay, I have just written a simple prompt, a local business website for plumbing services with booking features. And you can now just click on improve with AI. Now this AI model will improve your prompt into a detailed one, and that covers a wide range of features that needs to be built in this website. And you can see there are some information that you can modify right over here, like you can put in your actual founded date, like I say this business was founded in, and so on. Okay, you can switch between your prompts as well. And you can also put in a prompt generated by other AI tools like ChatGPT and more. You have 3000 characters limit to put in a detailed prompt or set of instructions right over here, so it can use these details to build your website. Finally, when you are done reading this prompt or adjusting it to your requirement, then just click on next. Now you need to fill in the business details that will be used across the site. So fill your actual details or the actual details of the business that you want to build website for, like John's email address where he want to receive the inquiries, or what email address he wants to use on the website. I'll just use a dummy email with a dummy phone number. Okay, you can add in the address. It's just a dummy address. You should fill in your actual details. You can then link your social media accounts right over here. And don't worry, you can customize or modify these details later on when your website is built, because it obviously will be built using WordPress and a page builder that you can use to customize or edit the content of your website later on. So I'll just quickly put in some social media links. Okay, when finally you are done, click next. And now it's the most crucial part of using this service, the images. I highly recommend using images in different orientations so they can be used across different layouts. If you choose only certain type of orientations, it might not fit them on all locations. So you should be choosing between multiple orientations, multiple resolutions, and multiple styles that matches your that matches the business category. You can also upload your own images, like if you are building plumbing service website for John, then John definitely must have provided you with the images that he wants to use on his website. So I'll just select some images from here that represents plumbing services. It has automatically highlighted the plumbing. You can also search for different images like repairs, installations, maintenance, customer satisfaction, and so on. You can also switch between different orientations right from here, so you can see only landscape images or only portrait images when you want to find some specific images. Okay, when you are done finally selecting the images, uh, you can just click on next step, and now you can choose between the editors that you want your website to be built with. The default is block editor, it will use Spectra, and the other one is Elementor, which is in beta, and you can use the one you would like to prefer for editing your website later on. I will use block editor. And then when if you are building this website using as a free user, you will not be able to use these premium layouts or premium templates that it has generated. You can only use the free ones like this, and like this. So let me just pick a layout that I like. I think I like this one. You can also preview it before you actually select any template. You can also customize the fonts and color schemes right over here. I think I like this blue one, and then just click continue. And now it will ask you to select some features. It will basically install all of these plugins that are required by this website or design. So you can choose between the plugins you want to integrate. These plugins are necessary because it has used features of these plugins, so they cannot be unchecked. Like the page builder, it will be using to build the website, the contact form plugin that will be used to generate the forms, and the blog layout. You can optionally enable or disable the search engine plugin, and you can also use any other plugins on your website later on, because obviously it's a WordPress installation and you are free to use any plugin or theme or other tools later on. Then you can also enable the e-commerce features, but it will use shortcut by default, but you can switch between WooCommerce and shortcut, whatever you prefer. And if you want to have appointment and booking functionality, that I think this business must have, like people can book appointments with John, and you can also enable the live chat, but I don't think this type of business needs a live chat feature, but it depends on the type of website you are building, so you can also enable the live chat, and then later on you can also add more plugins as you like. Now click on start building. First review the information and see if everything is correct, uh, or you can go back and make the modifications. When you are finally done customizing the information and you are sure that that's everything you need, then just click the start publishing the website. Now it will generate the complete website using the power of AI. The things you had seen earlier, the preview or the dummy content, that's not that was not final. It will now incorporate copy like titles, headings, content for posts, pages, services, cards. Everywhere you will see the content will be generated automatically with the AI instead of those placeholders like lorem ipsum and other dummy text that you see on ready templates. This is different than using a ready-made template. It's actually incorporating AI generated content right into the design that you have selected. Great, your website is now ready and you can copy the credentials for this website right over here, and you can also see these credentials later on in your dashboard. Click on see your website. Just okay, great. Now you can see the complete website is actually built using WordPress, and now you can see everything is synced in with your information that you have provided, like the phone number, and it has also generated amazing headlines, titles, or sections for you. You can see it has used or try to use appropriate images in different in different orientations to align with the title of the services, and it has also generated the titles of services by itself using the power of AI, and you can now customize all of these informations as you see fit. You can see everything is designed and placed perfectly right where it needs to be. And not just the home page, you will see all of the pages will be generated using AI with complete content, not just dummy pages. Obviously these persons are dummy persons, but you can replace them with your team photos if the person or the business does not have any team, like John is a solo worker. You can remove these type of sections from the website, and now you can see it will have a complete services page, beautifully designed services cards, service cards that you can see and customize. And let me have a look at the contact form, and you can see all of your contact information is placed correctly, and it has also a contact form and all of the social links that you had entered. I think it's forgot to add the Twitter or X link, but you can obviously add them later on. Now you can visit your dashboard. It will directly log in to your WordPress dashboard that you can see over here. Now you have complete control for your website. You can connect a domain from ZipWP's dashboard, and now you can see the whole website that it has built. Click on pages, you will see all of the pages, and you can customize any page, like just click on edit, and it will load the Spectra page builder. And now you can customize any section on your website using the power of Spectra page builder. You can also use Elementor page builder to build these AI websites, but that's still in beta and you might run into some problems. Spectra is the page builder. They are using for full integration because it's their product and they have combined them very well. So now you can start customizing your website. Like if you don't like this image, like I don't like this image. I think it used a vertical orientation image over here. Now I'll change the background image and I'll choose from something from media library. You can also search images again over here. Think I like this one. You can use any other image of your choice because now you have the complete power to build your website. And you see it has also installed the newly launched Show Rank plugin for SEO, and it's pretty amazing plugin. If you want to add the SEO features to your website, or if you want to improve the copy for your website, or if you want to fix some SEO related issues on your website, then Show Rank, it's new but it is a good plugin that you can use. But obviously you can use any plugin. Just go to plugins and start adding in your own plugins that you want to use on this website. And now you can also download and use this website, or download and import this website on your personal WordPress hosting anywhere else. You can just use any backup or migration plugins like all-in-one WP migration and backup plugins that have the features to export and import websites across WordPress installations. Now I'll just close this one. And now in ZipWP's dashboard, you have one site used out of 20 websites, and it is currently marked as staging website. You can add it into a project. You can create project folders over here, and then you can use the go live button to host this website on ZipWP's platform. You just need to connect your custom domain, and you can choose between different server locations. Currently it offers servers only in EU region. Yeah, the US servers coming later on, and you might see some more servers when you are watching this video a few months from now. And then if you click on these three little dots, you can see the option right here as well, like move to host. It will display the video tutorial by Adam on how to move this website to your personal web hosting. You can watch this video to learn more about how you can move this site to different web hosting. And then you can just click on this create similar site button to create same website for another project or for another client. Like if you want, if you have modified that design, or you liked what you have built so far, so if you want to replicate this same website for another client, you can just click on clone website, and then you can click on login credentials to see the login credentials for this installation, and then you can create blueprint. You can also adjust the domain suffix, like what comes after the custom domain that has been assigned to your website. zipwp.link, .tab, or .xyz. You can use these suffixes to for your staging websites. If you want to show this website to a client, then you can use these different domain names for your subdomain. And then you can click on PHP configurations to manage certain options. Like if you want to use a different PHP version for this website, you can choose between these options, and yeah, then you can adjust some PHP, the basic PHP configurations that if you need them for some plugins or themes that asks you to increase these values, you can easily increase them from here. These are the pretty common values that most WordPress websites require to be modified. And then you can also enable SSH, and you can also enable SFTP for this website. If you want to connect with SSH to use WPCLI or any other SSH based service, then you can enable it. You can also enable the FTP, SFTP if you want to modify the theme or plugin files using SFTP, or you want to access the file system, or you want to upload the files, then you can use this SFP feature over here. And then you can delete this website from here, and if you click on go live, or it will again pop this up, like fill in your domain names, select the server name, and then you can host this website on ZipWP's platform. In the business cloud plan, I got 20 staging websites, 10 AI website creations, and this usage quota resets daily. Like it means I can generate 10 websites using AI per day. And then I can sell 10 ready-made websites, 10 pre-designed websites, that's called blueprint sites to others, or I can create 10 blueprints that anyone can use to create the same website on ZipWP's platform. And I can also add 10 team members. It shows the AI credits that are being used. This quota will reset on monthly basis. And then in the business cloud plan, I can host one website using my own custom domain on ZipWP's platform, and it will give me 10 GB of storage. And then you can click on purchase add-ons to purchase more services. Like if you want to increase the cloud site storage, if you want to increase the number of blueprint sites, if you want to increase the number of staging websites, you can additionally purchase more slots from here. Let me quickly show you how to connect a custom domain with your ZipWP website. If you want to host host your website on ZipWP's cloud. This domain is not related to this business in any way. I am just going to show you how you can connect, because I have this free domain available in my account. So I'm using Cloudflare for all of my domains. That you should also use services such as Cloudflare to secure your websites from unwarranted threats, or to improve the performance of your website. Just click on live sites, and I click on add new, and I'll just click on go live, and I'll fill in my domain name, click continue. And now it will ask you to fill in these details in the DNS settings of your domain. If you are not using Cloudflare, you can access the DNS modification panels from your domain provider. You can find out guides about how to add DNS records to your domain. Every domain provider or platform have detailed documentation or videos on how to do that. I'll show you how to do that from the Cloudflare. I'll go to the DNS, and it has currently empty, and it doesn't have any records at the moment. Now you need to add in a new CNAME record with the following details. The host name should be your domain name, click on add record, click on cname, and you can also use @ for your root domain name instead of typing in the full domain name. Now you want to now you need to copy this information from here and paste it over here. And TTL is set to auto. You can manually use this information, but I believe auto is fine. Okay, now save your changes, and it can take some time to update the DNS information for your domain. Click on verify domain, and it can take anywhere from 15 minutes to 24 hours depending on the information you have provided in your DNS, and depends on, it varies from registrar to registrar, and it also varies how fast ZipWP servers can fetch those informations. And it's now in verifying mode. You can check back later on to see if it has fetched the information, and after the information is fetched, everything is in place, then your domain will be linked to this created website, and it will go live on ZipWP's cloud. And now for blank sites, if you want to start a staging website, or you want to test something, you want to test a plugin, you want to test a theme, and you don't want to use your actual web hosting space, you can just quickly create a new blank WordPress website right over here, and you can start testing any plugin or theme of your choice. Again, you can toggle between these advanced options, and then you can choose a custom domain, or you can choose between the site validity, create site, and it will instantly spin up a ready WordPress installation that you can use to test any plugin or theme before actually using it on your production website. And then comes the blueprints. You can create blueprints from existing websites, like you can build solutions, ready solutions for WordPress, and then you can sell them using blueprints. Anyone using that blueprint link will automatically have that complete website built on ZWP's platform that they can move to another host if they like. Let me show you how you can create blueprints over here. Click on create new. You can just type in a name and start a new blueprint project, or you can convert existing ready-made website into a blueprint. I'll select this John's Plumbing Services website, click on next, and give it a title. Now you should give a more generic title so the buyer or the other person can understand. Instead of using John's Plumbing website, we can call it a plumbing service website. You can sell them as ready websites, so I can say plumbing service website. Okay, now you need to select what type of this website is, like publicly shareable or it's a product demo website. You can click on learn more about using these blueprints. Okay, here is the information. A type of blueprints you can create private. These blueprints are for your personal use only. You can save websites you create as blueprints within your account in the future. If you need to create a copy of the same site, you can easily do from the blueprint. So basically blueprints offers you a feature that you can use to recreate any type of website in the future. So they are not publicly available, they are there just for you. These blueprints are publicly shareable. If you want to share to access a copy of your website, choose the public blueprint option. You will get a shareable link that you can distribute amongst others, and they will get a copy of your website. So this, anyone using this link will have a complete ready website, just like you have built on this installation. And then product demo. With product demos, you can define additional settings like site expiration time. You can clarify whether people using your blueprint can make changes to the website or not. And remember or note, the product demo type websites will use your ZipWP's account limits. So the copy they are making is actually is being made in your ZipWP account, but they can customize or modify the website with the permissions you set. And you can toggle this option to disable the modification options for the client or the person. Like obviously you don't want the other person to mess around without your permission, so you can disallow any kind of modifications to that website. Okay, so now I'll select the publicly shareable. Okay, and then if you have a customized login link instead of WP admin, you can pass it over here and then just click create. The default is WP admin, and now it will start creating the blueprint. In the meantime, let's see if we have our website live. Great, now the domain is resolved and we now have this domain connected with our website. So if I visit this website, so it's a bit messed up, I think due to some DNS or caching problems. Let's try purging the cache from the backend. Okay, so it was the cache problem. If you if do run into such similar issue, you can just navigate to the live sites and click on this little server. And now this is the overview of your live website. Just go to cache and purge cache once to properly see your website or clear all of the caches. And then you can see the domains that are connected to this website, and then you can click on staging site. You can set up a staging environment from the same website. You can now also configure your PHP settings over here. You can also take backups for your website, and these are your FTP credentials that if you want to use, now you can add in your own custom FTP user to use this website's data. Okay, let's get back to the blueprints now. Okay, now the blueprint is live. You can see its login credentials. You can share this with other people. Just click on copy blueprint link, and I'll browse this blueprint in a new tab. Okay, it is displaying the information that I had provided while creating this blueprint, and this site will expire in 4 hours. Click on launch and it will launch this ready website on a new subdomain for the user. Okay, now without any ZipWP account or without anything, this website is now available for the user for 4 hours, that he can either host on his own hosting using any backup plugin, or the user can host this website using ZipWP's hosting platform. Like it starts only for $4.95 per month, one night live site, 10 GB storage, and then all of these plans. User can choose between any plan and make the website live on ZipWP server, or you can instruct the users to download a copy of this website using any backup or migration plugin of their choice, and then they can host this website on their own servers if they like. So let me close this one and let's get back to the ZipWP's dashboard. Now I think I have explained enough. You can further explore this platform on your own. You can follow their documentation and you can find a couple of other tutorials related to ZipWP on YouTube by WP Crafters YouTube channel, and there are other YouTubers that have covered ZipWP in detail. So if you have enjoyed watching my explanation or my intro video of ZipWP, then you can hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And please use the links available in the video description to sign up for ZipWP. Good luck and see you in the next video.